Hello beautiful people, it's Jillian Cruz. I have noticed that I'm getting more views on the unboxing video of my coffee machine. For today's video, I will share with you how I clean my Breville dual boiler. Let's start by turning on the coffee machine. Clean Me will be displayed on the LCD to indicate when a cleaning cycle is required. It is approximately 200 espresso shots. First things first, you have to make sure that the water tank is filled with cold tap water. Ensure that the drip tray is empty. Take out the water because you won't like it if it overflows while you're cleaning the machine. Now let's take out our cleaning tools. We will be needing this cleaning disc, the cleaning tablets. We only need one of these. I always do a pre-rinse before starting the full cleaning cycle. We will also be needing this single wall filter basket. Insert cleaning disc and filter basket into portafilter. Followed by one cleaning tablet into the 1 cup filter basket. Now you can insert and lock portafilter into the group head. Press the menu button until clean cycle icon flashes and push is displayed on the LCD screen. To start the clean cycle, press the illuminated manual button. The clean cycle icon will flash and the machine will start to count down from 370 seconds. That is around 6 minutes. At this stage, there is nothing else to do but to wait. So while waiting, how about checking out my other videos? Another option is to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. When the cleaning cycle has finished, remove the portafilter and ensure the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet has not dissolved, repeat the steps without inserting a new tablet. Before using the coffee machine, I always do one final rinse. Now, let's put back our cleaning tools. There you have it, my quick and easy cleaning method. Let me know in the comment section if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again next week for another video.